Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing, grade 1? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So today we will be taking the last lesson of this week because you know that every Friday is the assessment day. We have the weekly assessments on Friday. So tomorrow, inshallah, I'll be taking an assessment from you from whatever we have covered in this week, right? So tell me how many of you are revising it on daily basis. Well, the topics that we have covered throughout this week, they are very similar because we are basically talking about the different shapes, right? Geometrical shapes. And we have on every day, we have discussed a separate shape. So there is not a lot of much to do. What you are supposed to do is you are supposed to look at the differences between the different shapes. What are their characteristics? Let's say a square has four sides, a rectangle also has four. So what is the difference between the two? Then if we talk about the cone, how many sides a cone have, how much of it part is a flat, how we can get a cone, what are the examples of it. So similarly, now in today's class we will be discussing another shape, another geometrical shape, that is triangle shape. Excellent. So tell me, how many of you can define this? What is a triangle? If like we define every shape, like we make a definition of every shape whatever we discuss, who can define triangle for us? Yes. The triangle has, how many sides does it have? I have already drawn it for you. How many sides does a triangle have? It has three sides. Yes. Okay. Then, and three corners as well. Very good. Then, it can be big, it can be small. What else? Does it compulsory to for the triangle to have all the sides equal? No. There can be a triangle with all the sides equal. There can be a triangle with all the sides different. In some triangle, two sides can be of the same side. So this is not compulsory for a triangle to have all the sides equal, right? We can have different types of triangle, and they can be small, they can be big as well. Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. We will watch interesting video about the geometrical shapes. We will quickly revise that and then we will talk about the examples of triangle shape. Okay? Is my screen visible?
Today's topic, shapes, 3D shapes.
3D shapes, a tube, a cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, sphere, sphere, hexagon, torus, square-based pyramid, oval. Yeah, those are 3D shapes.
Okay, so they have discussed about all the geometrical shapes that we can have in geometry or in mathematics, but we have not discussed all of them. So far, we have discussed only four, right? So, but we will keep on discussing the remaining in the coming week as well. So, let's look at some more examples of triangular shape and what are its characteristics. So before moving toward that, or before I share screen with you, can you think of anything which is of triangular shape? Think about it. Anything which looks like a triangle. Hurry up. We have a lot of examples of it. Think about it. Yes. Okay, Sarah wants to share something with us. Yes, Sarah. The pizza slice. Very good. Okay. It looks like Sarah loves food, right? Or Sarah loves pizza. Okay, great. So the pizza slice looks like a triangle, right? Similarly, a piece of cake also looks like a triangle if you when you cut them, right? A brownie or something Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen with you and I'll show you different examples of it, and then we will discuss them one by one. Okay, so the first one is everybody's favorite pizza, and the pizza slice looks like a triangle. Okay, let's look at the next one. The next one is, okay, see this YouTube. The symbol of the YouTube is, in this we have, first we have a red square. In that we have a white one, and inside of it we have a red color triangle, right? It's the YouTube sign, and it is of triangular shape. Got it? Okay. Let's look at some more examples. This, it's also kids favorite slide which you have in parks, right? It is also in triangular shape, right? Okay, what else do we have in triangular shape? The next example is, okay, look at this one. There we have some more examples of it. This is a triangle, then we have a pizza, then we have a slice of watermelon. Then this lower part of the ice cream cone also looks like a triangle. Then we have this house. Most of the house have this design on their rooftop which looks like a triangle. Then we have this example from a shape. Then we have this traffic signals or the traffic lights which are being, yes, displayed in a triangle. And then last but not the least, we have this matchstick and a triangle bar. Okay, so all of these are the examples from a real life, the things that we use and that we come across in daily basis. Got it? Okay, so now because we have discussed all of these examples together, I want you to think about something more which you have in your daily life, which I have skipped somehow. So tell me that, anything which is of triangular shape. Hurry up. Nothing? Okay. Okay, so now I want all of you to please open your book, page number 99. This is page number 99. Please open this. It says that look at this shape, it is a pyramid. Now dip all sides in paint and stamp each side on a piece of paper. You will get flat shapes like these. When you will stamp it on a piece of paper, you will get flat shapes. Two triangles can make a square like this, and then two small triangles can make a big triangle like this. Now let's see how two triangles can make a square and how two small triangles can make a big triangle. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, first let's look at how two triangles can make a square. This is a square. If we cut it like this, now these are two triangles. Let me draw it with another color marker. This is one triangle and this is second triangle. So two triangles can make a square. The next point was that two small triangles can make a big triangle. So look at this. This is a big triangle. If we look inside it, we can have this one triangle and this is the second one. Got it? Okay. The next point is, now because I told you all, for all of the previous shapes as well that we have discovered so far, there is this activity that you are supposed to do over the weekend. What is that activity? That you will make those small shapes with the help of paper or anything else, then dip them in piece of paint and Stamp it on a flat paper and then see that how the shape looks like. Got it? So do practice it over the weekend and revise everything for and prepare yourself for the weekly assessment. All the very best. See you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.